Are you looking to tame your email inbox with ChatGPT and Notion? It's possible, and I'm going to show you how to do it in a community video over on the NoCodeOps channel. Hi, my name is Andy O'Neill, and I help entrepreneurs like you add automation to their business. Earlier today, I did a full webinar with Claudia, the community manager over at NoCodeOps, where we went in depth in this scenario you see on the screen here. We talked a lot about ChatGPT. We talked about how to create tasks in Notion and other systems that are good at task keeping. And all of this was revolving around turning our emails into tasks so we can kind of tame our inbox and get the things we need to do out of our inbox and into a task tracker. I would invite you to head over to that video and see the full interview where I go through this scenario in detail and do some Q&A where we talk about ChatGPT, Notion, and some other topics of interest to this scenario. I'll see you over there.